is right around the corner, and we don't know about you ladies, but we are so excited to start doing some summer traveling. So we put together a list of some of the things that we think make our trips easier, some great travel essentials that we are dying to share with you. And the best part about these items is that they are all available through Amazon Prime. So you can get them in just a few days if you've got a trip coming up.
Exactly, and everything of course will be a link down below for you. But if you are new here, I'm Christina, this is my best friend Kelly. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that we do, because we have got some great ones coming up this season.
So this is a new find for me, and one that I cannot wait to use. I think it's gonna really come in handy, and that is this packable travel blanket. So this blanket is just so soft and luxurious, and it comes in a ton of colors. This one is great because you can actually pack it up into this little zipper pouch, and when you put it into its zipper pouch, it also can be used as a pillow. So when it's in the pouch, you've got yourself a pillow, you pull it out, you've got yourself a great blanket, whether it's for a road trip or an airplane. It's gonna just keep you warm and cozy. It also has this little handy backpack clip, so you can clip it right onto your bag so that you don't lose it. It's available in 6 different colors for only $32, so I feel like this is just such a great travel find and something that you are really going to get a lot of use out of.
If you have a family that loves their electronics, their iPads, their phones, their laptops, maybe their earbuds, and of course they love to travel with them, a great way to keep all of those electronics organized is by having an electronic organizer. So this one is in this beautiful blush color, and it comes in 3 different sizes. So there's a small, a medium, a large. The one that we're sharing with you is in this medium size, and it retails for $14, but they do have 8 other colors for this specific one. But it is a great organizer to have, because you can keep all of your cords in one place, your power blocks, even your ear pods. And they have 2 different sections that you're able to separate your electronics with. So I know that for me, we tend to have our electronics, all of our cords kind of in different places. And this is a small enough one where you can actually just keep it either in a specific place in your suitcase or even carrying it in your tote. So that way when one of your family members come calling for their earbuds or maybe for their power cords, you know exactly where to go.
So a couple of years ago when I traveled to Europe, I was looking for a dual wattage hairdryer, and I found this travel hairdryer, which I absolutely love. The great thing about this hairdryer is not only is it dual voltage, but it is very good for packing because it folds in half, really helping you to save space. So this one is great as well because it is a sturdy, full force hairdryer at 1875 watts. You're really getting, that maximum capacity. So you're not standing there with that, little hotel blow dryer that takes you twice as long to blow dry your hair. This one is a real everyday hair dryer. I save it for travel, which has actually helped it to last for several years now, but it could definitely be your everyday hair dryer if you wanted to do so. This one is very lightweight. It is ionic. It has 2 heat speeds and a diffuser that comes with it. So it really just has all of these great features, and for only $38, I feel like this is a great one to have.
As you all know, traveling with your family can sometimes be a struggle to stay organized, but one of the tricks that I like to use is by using these little clear organizer pouches. So these are perfect for traveling with. They have a little handle on them. They come in a 6-piece set with 3 different size pouches. They have 9 different colors. This one is in a black, and they only cost $16. So these are just a great way to organize your items. So whether you want to use one pouch for hair care products, another one maybe for makeup, some of the other ones, other things that you can travel with are maybe using one for medicine and vitamins. You can also have some of your feminine products in some of these clear pouches, and being able to immediately see what it is that you're looking for helps immensely in keeping you organized. One of the strategies that I like to use is I like to actually have each one of my family members kind of keep their own individual organized pouches. That way when they go into the bathroom, they know exactly which pouch is there. They're immediately able to identify what it is that they need, and it really helps to keep that counter space, that prime real estate that everyone is fighting for, clean and tidy.
So something that I definitely consider a travel essential is a great pair of sandals. When I'm packing, I'm always trying to limit the number of shoes that I take on a trip, which can be a challenge. So you really want those multi-purpose shoes that are going to be worn with a lot of different looks. And one of my favorite pairs are these beautiful Bayslide sandals in this almond color. So this color is a very neutral color. It's almost like a skin tone. For me, that would be when I'm more tan, but it's a beautiful, beautiful shade that's really neutral, and it's going to work with just about everything that you pack. These are also very comfortable. I love the little double E design that they have on them, and in this patent leather, you don't have to worry about getting them dirty or getting them wet. You can just wipe them right off, but these are available in 28 different shades. Some of them are some other great neutrals like black and white, and lots of great color options. So definitely just a great pair of sandals for travel, and one that you can throw in your suitcase and know that you're going to be comfortable walking all day in them.
Of course, when I am traveling, I am lugging around all of my makeup and my makeup brushes, and a great way to keep your makeup brushes organized is by having this travel makeup brush holder. So this one is only $10 and it's in this beautiful blush color. They have two sizes. They have a small and a large. This one is actually small. I think it's actually like the perfect size. I really couldn't imagine needing anything bigger than that, but I really love this idea. So normally when I am traveling, I usually take a little towel and, lay my makeup brushes out on the counter space, which really kind of just annoys the rest of my family when we are traveling in a hotel especially. And I love this because you can actually fold the makeup brush holder in half, and it creates just a great little convenient stand. So it takes up much less room. It keeps your makeup brushes dry, whether there's any sort of spill in your suitcase or in the bathroom, and it's just a handy dandy way to be able to carry your makeup brushes.
So if you are traveling somewhere tropical for the summertime, you're gonna want a great hat. So we have a really good one for you. This is really gonna help you to keep your face safe from that sun, also to keep your head cooler, and also for those times when you don't have a fresh blow dry and maybe you're having a bad hair day and you just want something cute so that you can still look great in those family photos. So we've got a really good one for you. This hat is packable, it's foldable, it's adjustable, it's got all of these great features. It's soft and comfortable, and it's available in 19 different colors. So there are different colors of straw, there are different colors of ribbon detailing around it. It has a wide brim. This one is only $24. So I love this hat. I've already ordered it in 2 different colors, and it's definitely my go-to when I am traveling during the summertime.
If you're anything like me, then you are someone who tries to not overpack when you're on vacation. And one of the strategies that I use is trying to carry a bag with me that I know has a lot of versatility. So of course I wanted to share this light brown crossbody bag with you. I think it's super cute. It has this chevron design with a little tassel, which is very on trend, along with this adjustable strap. But the reason why I wanted to share this particular bag with you is because of its versatility. So this is a great bag that would fit along with a little pair of shorts kind of outfit, or whether it's a great summer dress. It's also one that you can even dress up at nighttime, whether you wanted to wear, some espadrille wedges. And because it has that versatility, it allows me to only bring one bag when I am traveling. So this is a great one. Like I said, it's in this light brown color. There are 21 other color options available, but you can't beat it for only $19.
Okay, so we've shared with you some great travel essentials, everything from bags to shoes to hair dryers to makeup brush holders, all of these wonderful products. Now we've got one that's a little different. It's very practical and it is very, very handy. And that is these Shout Wipe and Go stain removing wipes. So this isn't quite as exciting and fun as some of the others, but it is oh so good, and definitely one that not only do I love to have for travel, but really you're going to want to have these in your car, in your purse. When we're traveling, sometimes we have clothing items that we're hoping to wear more than once. So if you happen to get a little stain, a little spill, or maybe even a little bit of makeup smudging on a shirt or some jeans, and you want to be able to keep them nice and fresh for your trip, you just take one of these little wipes and just wipe out that little stain, and these work like a charm to really keep your outfits looking great. I love them. Recently, I've had quite a few issues with wearing white jeans or white shorts in spring, summertime and spilling stuff on myself. And these have really been just a miracle worker for me. So I will for sure be throwing some in my suitcase. I've already thrown some in my car, in my purses. Definitely an essential and something that is, I think these are like under $10 for like 2 packs of them. And you're really going to appreciate having them on your trips.
I know that everyone has their different ways of kind of organizing when they are traveling, so I wanted to give you ladies another option for organizing your items when you are traveling, and that is with these really cute packing cubes, these luggage organizers in this beautiful blush and white striped design. Absolutely love it. This is a 9-piece set that's for $24. They have a lot of different color options available. I think there's something like 10 other different options if there's some other colors that you want to look for, but this is a great set. I feel like this is better for an individual. So it has everything from smaller little cubes that you can use maybe to store some socks or some undergarments in. It also has an individual bag for some toiletries in your bathroom. It even has a little bag that you can store your shoes inside of. So I feel like one great strategy to use, and maybe that might work for you, is by getting an individual set for each family member. And so that way they can immediately identify which items and which cubes belong to them based on the color. And so I just wanted to share this with you. Like I said, everyone has their own style of organizing, and this might be the perfect fit for you and your family.
Okay, ladies, well, we hope you found some things that will make your trips easier, and we will link everything below for you if there's anything that you want to check out. And leave us a comment down below. Let us know, what are some of your summer travel trip plans? We would love to hear from you.